Crazy girl driving a golf cart, okay, out in the rain. It's raining. I'm holding an umbrella, so hopefully I don't drop our laptop. Alright, we're good. We're backing out in the rain. We're gonna watch it. Ah! Go slow! I gotta get over here. Oh my gosh, we're trying to get the laptop wet, and I'm holding it with one hand. It's kind of heavy. Try not to get it wet. Alright, she's gonna go through the mud puddles, right? That's the umbrella thingy, so won't mind it. She's crazy. Uh-oh. She's crazy on this thing. I'm out in the rain. We're rednecking it. Oh my god, we're crazy. On the umbrella. Oh god, this car coming. It's embarrassing. Oh! Alright, she's gonna hit me, I swear. Here we go. Don't hit me! Alright, let's go for a ride on it. I can't. You gotta hit the button.